I'm here today at manufacturing company Ydra. They make these tailor-made industrial pumps, and I'm lucky enough to get to see how they're made. And I'm really excited, so let's go. Hi.
Hello, welcome to Ydra.
Thank you.
Let me show you in. Here we have some safety equipment for all our visitors.
Okay, so tell me, exactly where are we standing now?
Now we're in our main production facility where we do most of our machining of different parts for our pumps. Let me show you around.
Yeah?
Here we have the adapter body that goes between the electric motor and the pump. And here we have the shaft itself. They're heavy.
It's heavy.
Yeah, they're machined in duplex.
Yeah.
Over here we have some of our raw materials.
So you have all the parts you need? You don't run out of stuff?
No, mostly we have all we need, yeah. RamBase keeps track of all the parts, and when the stock is low, we get a notification and the purchasers can start buying in more parts.
Yeah. It seems like you have a really good system here.
Yeah, we do. And all the shells are marked,
Yeah.
so we know exactly which part is where.
Can I try that?
No, I wouldn't recommend it. And here you can see the operators machining a pump housing, and he will have the drawing on the screen, because in RamBase all the drawings are linked to all the parts that we machine. So we don't have to use time looking for drawings and wondering if they're up to date or anything, because the latest drawings are already linked in RamBase.
You can see them there. Pretty cool.
Here's the assembly area, but I have to go now, and I'll leave you in the capable hands of Finn Kåre, and he'll show you a little about the assembly process.
Here we put together the parts that we make out in the production. Mm-hmm. This model is called the Terminator.
That's a pretty cool name.
That's a pretty cool name. The main job of this pump is to grind fish.
Okay.
And we always know what part went into that exact pump, because the system provides us with a serial number.
Yeah.
And we can find the exact part,
Yeah.
even who made the part. I can't imagine a day without the computer.
These are all the parts in that pump, the Terminator.
This is a special pump, yes.
Yeah. And this is the drawing of the pump.
This is the drawing of the housing again. I choose my colleague Daniel, and he's gonna assemble the pump. Easy as that. So with the correct tools, this is pretty easy. So now when he's finished assembling the pump, we're gonna pressure test it and validate that everything is correct, and we bring it on to the logistics manager. Hey, Jon Fredrik.
Hello.
I have a visitor for you.
Hi.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So what's your role in Ydra?
My role in Ydra is I am procurement and logistics.
So you have control over all of these products?
I use RamBase to have control over all these goods. Yes. So these are the spare parts for the pumps before they are assembled. After they come from assembly, we have some finished products to the anticipating customers who are waiting for quality pumps. So here we pack, finished assembly, and then we book our forwarder. And they come and pick up the goods.
Okay.
And we ship them off.
And then it's off to satisfied customers.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Thank you, Odin, for having me here today.
It's been my pleasure.
I can see that you have a good workflow going on and dedicated workers.
Yes, we do.
And it's been great seeing RamBase in action, inside a factory with real-time information and giving easy-to-use functionality.